Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking around. So in today's video, we're going to be diving into something so real, which is consistency in fitness. Let's be honest, staying consistent when it comes to working out can be hard because one, life gets in the way, our motivation sometimes fades away, or we just get stuck along the way. And if you have ever started a workout plan and you quit halfway, or you've said to yourself, I'm going to start this Monday for the 10th time, this video is for you. So in today's video, I'll be showing 5 possible reasons why you are not staying consistent and what you can do to help you out. So let's get into the video without wasting much of your time. So the number one reason is because you're always setting unrealistic goals. One of the biggest reasons we often start and fall off track is because our goals are way too big too fast. And if you're the type who often starts off saying, I'm going to work out for an hour every single day, trust me, you're setting yourself up for failure, because the truth is, if you have never exercised for the first time, going from 0 to 100 is overwhelming. So here is what I want you to do instead. Start small and give your body grace. Aim for 3 to 4 times of working out every week. 5 minutes, 10 minutes is a win. The most important thing is that you're staying consistent. And remember to give your body time to adjust to the routine you're introducing to it. Another thing, remember progress is progress, and it is okay to start small and build yourself up. That's very, very important. Next possible reason is because you don't have a clear workout plan. If you're the type always waking up every single day trying to figure out what workout to do next, trust me, you're going to burn out really quick, because no plan equals decision fatigue. And this is where skipping your workout becomes the easier option. So here is what you need to do next. Create a weekly workout schedule. This way, you know what you're doing from Monday till Friday, or whatever days works for you. And if you don't know how to plan your own workout, I can make a video on that. And there are also a bunch of videos you can use on YouTube. Creating your workout routine and knowing what to do from Monday to Friday makes it easier for you to stay consistent. Another possible reason could be that you have this all or nothing mindset. Let's assume you missed a day of working out, and suddenly you're like, since you missed this day and the rest of the days are ruined. I'm sure this sounds familiar. And if you're this type of person with this kind of mindset, it makes it harder for you to stay consistent. So here is what you need to do instead. Let go of the perfectionism. Missing a single day of working out doesn't mean you're a failure. It means that you're human. And quitting is not the key here. Instead, come back the next day and keep going. Consistency is built through grace and not guilt. Another possible reason why you're not staying consistent in your fitness journey is because you don't think it's a priority. You have zero zeal when it comes to exercising. You say you don't have time to exercise, or you have time to scroll social media from Monday to Friday. Like you have time for every other thing except exercise. I'm not saying scrolling on social media is bad. I do it as well, and I still have time to exercise. And I totally understand that life gets in the way all the time. But the truth is, exercising is not a time issue. It's a priority issue. I usually tell people when something is important to you, you're going to make a time for it. So here is what you need to do instead. Treat your exercise time like your doctor's appointment. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes is enough depending on your energy level. You don't always have to go extreme. And if you have children or you have partner, this is what I do, and it helps me a lot. It can as well help you. My kids know when I exercise, and once it's time for mommy to exercise, always give me my space. And on the days that I have the time and energy to take them along, I take them along with me to exercise. Don't always wait till you have the time, because you can never have the time. You make at the time. Lastly, another possible reason why you are not staying consistent with your fitness journey is because you rely too much on motivation. Don't get me wrong, motivation is perfectly fine, but it comes and goes. Not just in fitness, in every other thing we do in life. If you're always waiting to stay motivated every single time before you can work out, trust me, you'll be waiting a lot. Because you're not going to be motivated every single time. Someone like me who has been exercising for a very long time, I still struggle with motivation every single day. The only thing that keeps me going is discipline, how I feel after doing it, and the reason why I am doing it. So instead of relying only on motivation, here is what I want you to do. Build a routine and rely on discipline instead. Tie your workout to a habit. Maybe something you do right after your kids are sleeping, or something you do right after brushing your teeth. Make it a part of your life, not just something you do when you're in the mood. This is very important and it's going to help you a lot. So to wrap up, here are 5 possible reasons you're not staying consistent in your fitness journey and what you can do about each. And remember, you're not lazy, you are not weak, you just need a better approach and some grace. So let me recap on everything I've said so far. Start small, make a plan, let go of perfection, protect your time, show up even when you don't feel like it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share to someone who might need it. See you in my next video. You've got this. Believe in you. Bye.